Wow, man, she is absolutely breathtaking. That is some serious restoration there. Very nice, very nice. Let me see the inside. Look at that. Look at that. I mean, there's no cheap crap in there, you know? There's no cheap crap. Look at that. Yeah, I don't think I can fit in that thing.
No, I don't fit.
Wow, look at that. Goes the hood. I have a YouTube of you when she was purple.
Yeah.
So it'll be kind of nice to have this thing. Go start her up.
Yeah.
I'm gonna go behind you. Yeah, don't go further down because I don't know what kind of nails are on the ground, you know? Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. You got a mouth cam in there?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's not a regular cam. That's a, yeah. $350, right?
Yeah.
I mean, these cars, $350 is the way to go, you know? Either that or you put a four.
What's the headlights?
Oh wow, they actually work.
Yeah.
Look at that. Go ahead, park it in. I'm worried about these branches, man. You can back it in. Either that or park it over there. I just don't like the trees. I don't think anything this beautiful has ever showed up here.